there! I recently made this lead magnet template that I'm using in my own agency, and I thought that I want to share it because I just got this Canva Pro version, and I was so excited that I actually can now share my designs as templates. So I posted it in a group for course creators, and it actually completely took off, and more than 400 people asked me if they can have a copy of the template. That's why I decided to make this video, because if you're interested in getting a copy of the template, you can just find the link below. Click it, it will take you to Canva, and you can edit this with the free version of it. And it is really super simple and straightforward. I will show you this in a second. So you find the link below. I'm just clicking it here where I had it on the post. Whoops, it's here. And this will take you to this page. And now you can see, you can go through the template and you can see all the different sheets that are included. And then once you have decided, and then you can just say use template. And this will then take you to Canva, to the free version. And then here you can literally edit everything. You can change the fonts, the backgrounds. If you want to use images, you can use the free images that Canva has and just drag them here, for example. You can change colors, fonts, so everything you want. And once you're done, you just go here, download it, and then you basically have your lead magnet. Of course, you also want to use the lead magnet, and for that, I provide you my funnel. It is from ClickFunnels. You can just have my shared funnel, so the exact same funnel that I use to promote my lead magnets. That will also be linked below, so make sure to click on that. And another thing is that I want to share with you is how you can find an idea for your lead magnet the fastest, and actually how I always find the best converting lead magnets for my clients. And this is that I go into Facebook groups that are related to what my clients sell. And then I just scroll through it and I see what the most popular posts are about. And then you pretty soon can see that many people have the same kind of problems and issues and challenges in their business. And this is what you want to create a solution for. Because a lead magnet should not be something that you just quickly put together, because a lot of that is already out there. These days, you really have to create a lead magnet that is desirable and that is almost like a product that you almost need to sell to people to opt into your list. So make sure that you go to the groups, that you really read through the posts, that you see what gets a lot of engagement and where people really struggle with, and then invest some time, use the templates, and create your own lead magnet. After that, put it on the funnel that you can also find below, and you can actually drive traffic towards it by promoting your lead magnet in groups. So I did that, for example. I put my lead magnet in a group, and then within only one day, I got 50 new members for my own Facebook group. So this is a really powerful way. Of course, you always want to be super careful and respectful about it. You want to clarify with the admin if it's okay or not. But if you just promote free value and actually add to their group without being super pushy about your own business, about your own group, then it should not be any problem. So this is kind of the strategy. So go into the groups, find the pain points, use the templates to create your lead magnet, put it on the funnel, and then go into groups and drive traffic towards that by giving away your lead magnet. Okay, so I hope this helps you, this little blueprint and outline and all the tools. As I said, I will link them below. And if you have questions, feel free to hit me up. I'm super happy to help. Bye.